What do the adventurer who is climbing Mount Kilimanjaro and the humanitarian working in earthquake-shattered Haiti have in common? They both lack access to reliable electricity. Goal Zero, based in Bluffdale, has developed innovative technology to help adventurers, humanitarians, and outdoor recreation enthusiasts access clean, renewable energy, no matter where they may be. Goal Zero solutions include portable solar panels, battery packs to store the collected energy, and inverters and adapters that make it possible to charge devices like laptops, cell phones, GPS devices, cameras, MP3 players, and emergency lights. The company's Nomad 27M solar panel system incorporates monocrystalline solar technology, which delivers more power per square inch than any other solar technology. The Scout 150 battery can store up to 150 watts of power, and it has built-in USB, 12-volt DC, and AC outlets for charging devices. The battery can be charged from the solar panels, a wall outlet, or a car adapter. Another Goal Zero product is its Light-a-Life light, which uses a 3-watt LED light bulb. This portable light has been used by humanitarians from Haiti to Afghanistan in order to keep working once the sun has gone down. For Goal Zero, the desire to protect the planet and its natural resources goes hand in hand with a love for the people and many cultures throughout the world, and a desire to aid and support people who struggle with poverty, hunger, and the chaos of disaster.